How this weird dog pranked with alien video made over $2.4 million, and most importantly, how anyone, anywhere can start making $100 per day on YouTube, even if you have 0 subscribers, 0 experience, and without making any videos yourself. What is up, family? Your boy Mario here. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel so I can help you make money online and become free. Also hit that like button and let me know below in the comments where do you come from. I would love to know, okay? So make sure that you do not skip any part of this video, because if you do this one critical mistake that many beginners make, then you will not make this work. Also, you can get into trouble if you are not following all the steps of this video. So that's just a little warning, you guys. But so most people do not think that you can actually re-upload the videos and remake videos that you find on YouTube, but there is a feature called Creative Commons. And when you filter videos using Creative Commons, you can actually use them and to remake them into your own videos. And that way you don't have to create any videos yourself, because I know many of you don't want to be on camera, right? And you can do this about just anything. So let's say that you like cars, right? So you search for cars and you go to filter and make sure that you filter it by Creative Commons. And then you, for example, like this video here, right? So you open it and you can use it in your own video, right? You can download it, and if you don't know how to download a video, you just Google how to download a YouTube video, and you can actually do it online. And also make sure that you, in description, that you add all attributions that you can find in the video below, in the description, right? So make sure that you always use those attributions so your video do not get shut down. All right. And but maybe you don't like cars, maybe you like dogs, right? And so always before downloading any video, make sure that you always put those Creative Commons, because when you do a new search, it always like unchecks, right? So you always want to double check it. And so dogs and all kinds of animals are videos that goes viral easily. So maybe you can make your channel about dogs. And so all these videos you can actually use, right? And you can maybe, let's say that you find different videos of dogs and you make your own compilation. That's what people like to watch, the compilation, like top 10 cutest dogs, top 20 dog breeds with the strongest bite in the world. People are watching these compilations, and you can do this for pretty much anything, like cats, right? And always turn on that Creative Commons so you don't get into trouble. Or people also love watching conspiracy theories. It's something that, you know, people love to watch. You don't want to create videos about something that nobody watches. You want to go for that content that people love to watch, because you need those views to get paid by YouTube. And so let me now show you I will show you soon how that weird video with the dog prank with alien made over $2.4 million. Just before we do that, let me give a quick shout out to a comment winner from our video, Queen Magomani. Go check out her YouTube channel. We are sending greetings to Queen Magomani to South Africa. So she said, your intro is lit, brah. Thanks for this awesome content. I'm learning a lot on this channel. Great value. So if you want to be our next comment winner, all you have to do and get that shout out on our next video, all you have to do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below what are you struggling with, so I can help you and give you my best advice. So just let me know what are you trying to do, and like what is the number one question that you would like to ask, and I will give you, you may win the comment, you may become the comment winner in our next video, okay? So now let's get to that video. So guys, on average, YouTubers make per 1,000 views $3, right? So per million views it's $3,000, because $3 times 1,000 is $3,000. And this video got 814 million views. And if we pull out calculator right here and do the math, 814 times 3,000, that gives us $2,442,000. So that's over $2.4 million. Isn't that crazy? And this is an estimate. I don't know the actual profit that was made from this video, but this is, you know, it's insane. And so also another thing that you can do is you can check out the biggest YouTube channels, like what they are doing. Like for example, you can go to the site socialblade.com, and here you can put a username of any YouTube channel. So I put here MrBeast, and you can get this inspiration like from the biggest YouTube channels, like what are they doing. So MrBeast is doing all kinds of crazy challenges and pranks, and like he's making very controversial videos, so because that goes really viral. And what you can check out is like he's making estimated yearly over $900,000 or up to $15 million per year. So that's crazy. But he has a huge YouTube channel. Let's say that you are getting, you know, just 1,000 views per day. As you can see, around 1,000 views is $2 to $3.5, and this you can find at influencermarketinghub.com. And here you can put like how much money do you want to be making to get that to escape 9-to-5 job, right? Because in different countries it's different. So maybe you need 10,000 views, or so that's if your video is getting 10,000 views, you get $500 to $900 estimated per video, and it's just one video, guys. And you can do like 2-3 videos per week and completely replace your job, right? And so let's say that you have like already like 10 videos that all does 10,000 views, right? So now you have 100,000 views across your YouTube channel, and that's like 5 to 9 grand per month. And so last thing that I wanted to also mention, like if you would like to use like this exact video that I mentioned, dog prank with alien, because I didn't found it in Creative Commons, what I found for you, like you always want to check that description below, and they will share with you like if it's possible or not. So what I found is like to use any videos from this channel in a commercial player, for advertising or in broadcast, please email, and you have email here, so you can shoot and email them, and maybe they will charge you too much, or maybe you can get some great deal, right? So but you don't want, if you don't need to, you can literally just use those Creative Commons and use those videos. So hit that like button if you think like this is completely insane, and if you like this idea, and let me know below in the comments if you have any questions about this, because I want to help you. Okay, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. And now you can watch this other next video that I've prepared for you, and I will see you on that next video.